Hi, I'm Gabe, a senior sales engineer at Purple, and on this edition of 30 on 3D, I want to talk about how 3D printing changed Boom Supersonic's manufacturing workflow. Boom set out to bring supersonic passenger travel back to commercial aviation, but developing an entirely new aircraft requires moving fast, testing ideas quickly, and solving manufacturing challenges along the way. As Boom developed its XB-1 demonstrator aircraft, traditional manufacturing methods were often too expensive and too slow for the pace of development. The team needed a faster way to prototype parts, validate designs, create tooling, and manufacture components for the aircraft. So what did they do? They turned to Stratasys FDM 3D printing. They used their F370, Fortus 450, and Fortus 900 to create drill blocks, flight hardware that will actually fly in the XB-1, and functional prototypes used for fit checks and gauges. Instead of spending hours analyzing space constraints in CAD, engineers can print a physical part, install it, check the fit, and quickly decide whether the design works. One of the biggest opportunities has come from creating drill blocks that are used to position fastener holes on composite structures across the aircraft. Originally, Boom used metrology to position holes one at a time. Now with Nylon 12CF and Ultem 9085, a single tool can accurately locate 20 plus holes at once. On a single part, this saves them $3,700 in material costs, a 92% cost savings compared to machining, and it reduces their lead time from weeks to days. Another component Boom uses 3D printing for is its rudder limiter, a device that controls rudder deflection. A functional prototype is needed to test the design's aerodynamics and validate proper operation. Instead of machining the components from aluminum, Boom 3D prints them in ASA, reducing production time from 8 weeks to just 44 hours. The switch also cut costs dramatically, from $12,000 for traditionally milled aluminum parts to just $150 for the 3D printed version. The end result is hundreds of 3D printed prototypes and end-use parts, many engineering hours saved, faster design validation, and a more efficient manufacturing workflow. By bringing Stratasys FDM 3D printing in-house, Boom is able to move from digital designs to physical solutions faster, pushing towards the next generation of supersonic flight. If you want to learn more, give us a call or send us an email. Thank you for watching 30 on 3D.